Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to edit text on Wix.com. Guys, if you wrote any type of text on Wix.com and you want to make changes in that text, then you have to select that text, and here you will see the option which is edit text. Click on it and then you will see all the features about editing text. Like if you want to select any type of theme, like what you want to do with this heading. If you want to make it heading, then you can select the sizes of this heading, and if you want to make it paragraph, then you can go with paragraph. And these are the fonts. You can select your font style from here. You can adjust your font sizes by moving this point, and you can go with these options as well. Okay, if you want to make your text bold, then you can click on bold and you can make it bold, and you can go with italic, and you can underline as well. And if you want to add bullets and numbering, you can click here, and you can select your right one. If you want to decrease indent, then you can click on these buttons. You can use these buttons. And if you want to change the direction, you can go with it. These are the alignments. You can select your alignments from here, and you can go with the effects as well. Like if you want to add drop shadows, then you can go with these options. And if you want to add character spacing, then you can go with these options. So there are so many features to edit text. You can edit as per your choice and as per your need. So guys, this is how to edit text on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.